This is going to be the last video you ever have to watch pertaining to Clickbank. This is going to show you how to generate real results, how to make anywhere from $150 to $300 per day with this simple and easy to use beginner method. All right, guys, so the first step is creating a Clickbank account. You want to go ahead and press create account. Very simple. And then once you create an account, you're going to go ahead and get access to what is called the marketplace, which is basically, once you click the marketplace, you're going to be able to get access to all of these categories of offers, right? Now, the cool thing about it is that the offers are created for you. You don't have to create the product. Also, the sales page is created for you, so you don't have to create any sales page. Literally, 90% of the work is done for you. All you have to do is do some simple connections and then figure out how to get target traffic to these affiliate offers and then cash out and laugh your ass to the bank, right? So that's what we're going to teach you how to do in this video. Now, first and foremost, we're going to go ahead and do health and fitness. So where are we? I just lost. Where's health and fitness, right? And then I'm just going to promote the first offer, right? What I would highly recommend is you doing your due diligence and finding out which offer makes the most sense, right? So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and press promote. Then I would go ahead and press create. And then I would get this link right here, and it's going to pay me 75% commissions every time I get a sell. And if you look at the math, right, which is about $34, right? So I literally just got to generate sales for less than $34 and I'll be profitable. That's basically how this works, right? So the question is, how are we going to go ahead and generate sales? Now we're going to leverage this little model right here, right? Which is basically leveraging a capture page to capture leads right here. And then we're going to redirect them after they decide to move forward to the next step to the sales page created by the affiliate Clickbank, right? A Clickbank vendor. And then this is going to be your actual commissions that you're going to get paid every time your sales presentation generates a sale from a visitor watching, right? Now the cool thing is that the people who don't buy up front, you're going to be able to do email marketing on the back end, right? So an example is, people always ask me, how many days should I set up an automated follow-up series? The answer is anywhere from 30 to 45 days. Now the cool thing is with Clickbank, they're not the best guys, but if you go to the affiliate page, right, usually a good affiliate page will have emails, right? They'll have emails that you can actually send. Let's see if they do. So let's see if these people. Fat Disseminator, come on, baby. I believe in you. Great. Click here to get started. Bill Cosby at gmail.com. So we have email swipes, guys. So look, you can literally download the email swipes. I'll literally go to Fat Disseminator. So if I was to promote, Fat Belly Fix, guys, they're the same type of product, right? I'll go to download. I'm gonna actually download this, right? And look, you can literally say this is outrageous. Secret has been proven successful with over 56,000 women. And then look, you can literally go ahead and insert your links. So they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they have 6 email swipes. So what I would do is I would use an autoresponder. Like if you guys check the resources, you can find the one that I use, right? And there's literally 6 out of your 45 days. And you literally just insert your link for your affiliate offer. And then what happens is, once people opt into this page, right here, an example that I created earlier, we're going to copy. So this link is the actual page, right? This super simple morning habit accidentally melted 34 pounds. So if we look here, what does the offer say? This super simple morning habit accidentally melted off 34 pounds. Does that seem familiar? Right? So what's going to happen is they're going to opt in, and they're going to get access to my actual sales page. So here's my sales page, right? Boom. And then if they don't buy, I'm going to hit them up with that follow-up series. And what you can do is you can literally find all these offers on Clickbank. You can see which one has good emails, which one has crappy emails. The people who have good emails, you simply just swipe them and add them to your follow-up series, and then add your links, right? Now guys, the whole importance of this is the people who don't buy up front will literally buy on the back end, right? Now the next step is, okay, cool, we have the funnel, we have the product set up, we're ready to generate commissions, and we have our email follow-up set up. How are we going to go to drive targeted traffic, right? That's the number one struggle that most affiliates have, right? So I'm going to teach you guys how to generate cheap targeted traffic. We're going to be using something called buyselads.com, right? So if you go to BSA, buyselads.com, you go to marketplace, just like Clickbank has a marketplace, you want to create a free account, and then there's going to be categories, right? So depending on your actual advertisement, same type of categories. I'll go to actually food and drink. And an example is what I could do is I could go to Better Living, right? Which is basically, I'll go to zoom in for you guys. Better Living is simply a recipe blog, travel and recipes, right? For people who just want to live a better life, right? So guys, what is common with people who want a better life? They have fitness goals. They want to be fit, right? If they want to be fit, then obviously this will resonate with these people, right? So basically, if they want to be fit, right, you can literally run a banner ad, right? So what is a banner ad? So this is what a banner ad looks like, right? If you've ever seen one of these ads on like a website, just to show you guys, right? CNN Tech, download a free audiobook today, and then smartphones, like, so here's the website, here's the blog, and there's two banner ads, right? So an example is you would simply go ahead and buy banner ads on their space. Now, why should I buy a banner ad with them? Well, they get 1.2 million monthly impressions. What that means is that they have over 1 million visitors per month, right? And they sell CPM, which is basically, CPM means 1,000 impressions. So you can literally display your ad in front of 1,000 people for less than $5, less than a cup of coffee, right? So literally highly targeted traffic, very cheap. What I'm going to do is go to either $20banners.com. I'm going to go ahead and create a banner ad, or you can literally type in weight loss banner ads on Google and they give you so many. You can literally swipe these. Like if I wanted to swipe this right now, I could literally just copy and paste, right? Copy and paste, boom. Now I got a banner ad. That's simple. And then I would simply just go ahead and display it on their ad on their website by adding this to the cart. And once I add it to the cart, they're going to start driving traffic to my funnel, right? Which is this page right here. And then they're going to go ahead and get instant access. They're going to go ahead and get access to the next page of my funnel, which is the offer, right? And the people who do not buy now, right, it's pretty cool, is I literally swipe these emails from all these other people on Clickbank, right, who created them. And I'm going to be following up with these emails, and it's going to have my affiliate link, right? So it's going to increase my return on my ad spend. That's the whole point of email marketing, right? And to increase your overall earning potential per prospect. Because if you're sending people directly to this page and they don't buy initially, right, you're going to lose out on all that money. So when you collect that lead, right, you get the follow up and you own that customer forever. And you're going to be able to generate free traffic. Let's just say you build an email list of 10,000 people. Literally, if you have 10% open up rate, you can literally send 1,000 impressions. That's what it is, basically 1,000 impressions in one simple email that takes you 10 to 15 minutes to create. And here's an example of a banner ad. I'm in Germany right now, so it's in German, but basically I have no idea what that says, but it's literally a banner ad on this actual software I'm creating to create this video, right? So quick recap. We have our capture page. We're going to use ClickFunnels. You guys can go to the resources section in the description. Then you guys can actually connect whatever offer you guys want. So guys, the cool thing about the template that I'm going to go ahead and give you, I'm actually going to go ahead and give you a template. It'll be one of the first links, is that you can actually leverage any type of affiliate offer. And then you're going to go ahead and set up your email follow-up. Most likely you can literally swipe email follow-ups from all these other people. And then literally this is done for you because you didn't do it. These other affiliate companies did it. This isn't done for you because other companies did it. This isn't done for you because Eric created it for you. All you got to do is find out how to drive traffic to this process on autopilot, cash out, rinse, and repeat. It's that simple, guys. So with that being said, guys, that is how you drive highly targeted traffic as a Clickbank beginner to your sales funnel and your affiliate offers to generate sales on autopilot. That's called a 4-hour work week, guys. Work a couple of hours per week and make a ridiculous amount of money. You just have to master optimizing your sales process, optimizing your funnels, optimizing your follow-up series, and optimizing your actual ads so that way you can have a high click-through rate, right? Which is basically the percentage of people who see that ad click through. And then once you have all that stuff just winning and it's in sync, you'll make so much freaking money. And make sure to send me a message just to show you guys a message of somebody who recently sent me thank you for my YouTube content. They literally are making $5,000 to $7,000 per month, literally from my free content. So I appreciate helping you guys. That's why I do this stuff, right? If you guys want more content like this, hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell, and join the family. If you guys want to know my #1 recommendation to make money online, it'll be the first link in the description. And everything to help you guys out as an affiliate will be all in the resources section in the description. And I appreciate you guys so much for tuning in. As always, Eric Ellis Jr. checking out.